Did you know that after one fight, a couple can turn 400 square feet into two separate countries without saying a word? She moves the coffee maker to her side of the counter. He stacks his books only on the left shelf. Her plants cluster by the window she claimed as hers. The bathroom mirror reflects two different morning routines that never touch. Their bed becomes a war zone, with pillows marking the border between his side and hers. The couch grows invisible lines. His corner, her corner, a careful gap between where they used to sit together. What started as needing space became a map of avoidance. Every coffee cup, every book, every plant now serves as a tiny fence post in their shared home. The apartment stays silent. No words about boundaries, no discussion about the new rules. Just the quiet rearranging of life around the fight they never finished. In 400 square feet, two people can live like strangers. All it takes is moving a coffee maker 6 inches to the left.